The Screen News Digest program is being brought to you by Exxon Corporation.
Mein Name ist Hermann Müller, ich komme aus Hamburg in Deutschland und bin in die Vereinigten Staaten ausgewandert, weil ich einen Bruder in Milwaukee habe.
Form a single line.
Cabrera, Behoud, Einstein, Garibaldi, McCormick, Nielsen, Perescova.
The Connecticut Yankee Deporting Act, Track 15. Newark, Trenton, North Philadelphia, 33 Station, Philadelphia, Wilmington, Baltimore, Washington, Track 15, aboard.
France, Germany, Great Britain, Greece, Italy, Norway, Poland, Switzerland.
America at the turn of the century. Men, women, and children streaming to her shores from countries around the world. For 16 million immigrants, Ellis Island in New York Harbor was the golden door to the United States, land of hope and opportunity. Today, Ellis Island is abandoned and deserted, a stark and evocative reminder of the days when its grounds and buildings were jammed with future Americans.
What is your name?
Juan Antonio Garcia.
Everyone over here.
Proceed along.
Dios bendiga América.
The immigrants soon find out that the streets of America are not really paved with gold. There are classes at night to teach immigrants the new language of their new land. The teacher says, "I open the door." And a key is turned, a new world unlocked. Living in city slums and crowded tenements, many of the newcomers are victims of discrimination and prejudice. And yet, from the city sidewalks and the humble beginnings will come mayors and civic officials, business leaders and professional men, sharing an immigrant heritage. Earning a living, raising a family, living with new neighbors, the immigrants are in the process helping to build a nation. The promised land often is not, for not every newcomer finds the better life that he seeks. But parents believe that their unfulfilled dreams can come true in the lives of their children. And so the immigrant's imprint is found all across America, in every industry, in every state. Why the immigrants came and what they did is then the story of our country. Today, 200 million Americans in 50 states are descendants of immigrants. Each of them is a living witness to the words of Walt Whitman. These people are the amplest poem. Here is not merely a nation, but a teeming nation of nations.
This Screen News Digest program has been presented to you as a public service by Exxon Corporation. May your understanding be broadened and your life enriched by a quality educational experience.